The purpose of this video is to show you the most effective way to email an affiliate link for a ClickBank product. And this really applies to any affiliate network there is. And one thing I want to show here, all three of these links you see over here on the left-hand side go to the same exact product. There's quite a big difference. This right here would be is your traditional ClickBank affiliate ID, where you'd basically just come in here and put your ID in where it says your ID. You'd replace it with your ClickBank ID, and in my case that would be okay. And the next one is the exact same link, but I use the promote option right here to generate the link. So I just went in there, typed in my nickname to generate a hop link, and it creates the link for you. So that's what this link is. And this link right here comes from my ClickMagick account, where I went in and created a link to go to that particular product. And this link right here is my ClickMagick link, where I created an affiliate link right here and created a tracking link in my ClickMagick account, which is my preferred way of doing it. I want to explain to you why, so you understand why it's the best practice to really essentially hide your affiliate links. First of all, going back to these links, this little clickbank.net is seen by any of the search engines out there, and all of the email service providers. Those are the email companies that you're mailing to, and they get zillions and zillions of emails where people literally take this link here, pop it in the email, and email it out. And so as a result, anytime it sees this right here, there's a very good likelihood that that particular link is going to get sorted into the spam box. Also, if you just put that link in there bare naked, they're going to see it's an affiliate link. And a lot of guys will go, oh, I'll just put my affiliate link in there instead, which, you know, if somebody wants to steal your affiliate commissions, they'll figure out a way to do it, but not make it obvious. And this link right here is supposed to make it so that they can't tell what your affiliate ID is, but in all honesty, they can go to the product and figure it out. And you still have the ability of seeing this link. Search engines catching this part right here and sorting it into the spam box. This link, you're not going to have that problem whatsoever, because it doesn't make any sense at all. It's not something the search engines see often. That's my link tracking system. It's my domain. They only see that link when I email it. So if they see this link over and over and over and over and over and over, there's a very good chance that this thing is going to show you it's going to end up in the spam box. Same thing with this. So what a lot of people do is they'll take an email like this and they'll just go ahead and they'll pop in, I'm in my Aweber account, they'll just pop in this link like this. And they go, there you go. And they think that's good enough to email. And that's going to be, first of all, it tells the guy who reads the email, oh, it's a ClickBank product. Oh, and it's got an affiliate link associated to it. And there's the vendor's name. If I want to buy this, I can just buy it under my own affiliate ID, so you'll lose commissions there. If it even gets into the inbox, it may get into the inbox just fine, but this tends to be a problem because, you know, Gmail in particular sees this a lot and they go, whoops, it's an affiliate product, we don't want it coming through. Then the next thing that I'll do is I'll go, okay, since that doesn't work, we'll just email this. And okay, that's fine, but we still have this link right here, and it's really a big, long, ugly-looking link, which is going to scare people. Trust me, it's going to scare people. Or they'll just take their cloaked link like this, and they'll paste it in there as well. Whoops. Of the three, this is the best way to do it. But most people are smart enough to realize that they really don't want there to be kind of any sort of obvious affiliate link in there. So what they'll do is they'll hyperlink it to some text. So I can't wait for you to see it. Let's say they hyperlink this text, and they'll they'll take and they'll put the URL in there like that. That's the best thing to do. But you'll notice I am using my private link because Google can still read that code. So if you use any of these other links here, it's still going to see that it's an affiliate link and block it. So a lot of people go, well, I'll solve that problem. I don't want to pay for ClickMagick. I'll just go use Bitly. Well, Bitly is used by 1 billion people. So you can create your Bitly link, and it's just the same. And it's going to get sorted in the spam box just as likely as any other type of system. So you're going to run into some issues there. So if you really want to be able to deliver your affiliate links via email, whether it's Aweber, GetResponse, or any other system, you should A, cloak it. I recommend ClickMagick. And B, you should hyperlink it to Word. Don't just put naked affiliate links in here. You see it all the time. It's not best practice, and you're going to lose money over it. And you also see a lot of times where people will hyperlink just like the regular ClickBank ID link, and it's going to get, even though it looks like this is what is going to be read by Google for Gmail or Yahoo. Those systems are going to read your actual link. They won't read all the way back to ClickMagick, but they'll read the link because they can read hypertext. That's what it does, and your chances of it getting in the inbox are quite a bit less. So you want to use the actual link that you cloak and promote that. That's the best way to go about it. You're going to get the best results that way.